In the latest developments, it was reported that Russia's Zala 52, or Lancet, has been upgraded based on experience gained during special military operations in Ukraine. The basic drone version has been significantly improved and now has a more powerful warhead, a new electronic guidance system, and a control system with new software. But the question is how powerful the improved version of Lancet is, and how might it improve Russia's defense system? First of all, let's have a look at its overview. The Zala Lancet, a type of unmanned aerial vehicle developed by ZALA Aero Group, a subsidiary of Russian arms company Kalashnikov Concern, is classified as a loitering munition or reconnaissance drone. It is a highly effective weapon against armored vehicles, tanks, and artillery systems, making it a crucial tool in modern warfare. The drone entered service in 2019 and was designed as a high-performance surveillance and reconnaissance platform equipped with advanced sensors and imaging technology. It can perform a wide range of tasks, from mapping and surveying to intelligence gathering and target tracking. During the Russia-Ukraine conflict, the drone has been frequently used by the Russian military. Recently, it was reported that a U.S. air defense system designed to protect UAV was destroyed by a Lancet drone near Vodianoe city through the use of Lancet ammunition. Next, moving on to its specifications, size and weight. The Lancet drone possesses an atypical design with a tubular body and two pairs of wings shaped like the letter X located at the front and back of the fuselage. It deviates from the traditional puller prop configuration by employing a rear-oriented pusher prop system. It is a compact, unmanned aerial vehicle with a length of 5 feet and a wingspan of 3 feet. This makes it a relatively small drone that can easily maneuver through tight spaces and operate in challenging environments. Despite its small size, the Lancet drone is capable of achieving impressive performance and carrying a range of payloads. One of the key factors contributing to the Lancet drone's high performance is its maximum takeoff weight, which is 26 pounds and a payload of up to 7 pounds. This weight includes the drone's frame, propulsion system, batteries, and any additional payloads or equipment such as cameras, sensors, and communication equipment. The drone may be small and lightweight, but it is a proficient unmanned aerial vehicle that can accomplish various tasks, including environmental monitoring, scientific research, surveillance, and mapping. Its size and electric engine make it an ideal option for applications that require flexibility and agility, such as search and rescue operations and disaster response. Endurance and speed. The Lancet drone has a cruising speed between 50 to 68 miles per hour, which allows it to track moving targets and keep pace with ground vehicles effectively. Its range of up to 25 miles also enables it to reach targets far behind enemy lines. The drone is controlled remotely by a single operator, enabling it to perform its mission with precision. The drone also has an impressive impact speed. It can achieve speeds of up to 186 miles per hour, making it suitable for a range of critical applications such as aerial mapping, disaster response, and search and rescue operations. The drone's speed and agility allow it to respond quickly to changing environmental conditions and complete a wide range of tasks, including mapping, surveying, delivering payloads, and collecting data. Another advantage of the Lancet is its endurance. It can remain airborne for up to 40 minutes, which is a significant amount of time for a device of its size. This endurance enables it to cover a significant amount of ground and gather critical information about enemy movements. Service ceiling. The Lancet drone is not only designed for high-altitude operations, but it is also built to endure challenging environments. Its service ceiling of 16.4 feet allows it to operate effectively in a wide range of applications. For instance, when conducting surveillance or monitoring operations, the drone's high-altitude capabilities provide it with a broader field of view, which enables it to gather information more efficiently. Additionally, the drone's high-altitude capabilities make it an ideal platform for conducting environmental research, such as monitoring air quality or studying weather patterns. The drone's service ceiling also makes it well-suited for scientific observations, allowing it to capture high-resolution images and collect critical data from remote locations. Engine. The Lancet drone is powered by an electric engine, which makes it highly efficient and environmentally friendly. Unlike traditional combustion engines, which can produce harmful emissions and require regular maintenance, electric engines are quiet, clean, and require minimal upkeep. This makes the drone an ideal choice for applications where sustainability and efficiency are important, such as environmental monitoring and scientific research. Warhead. The Lancet drone can carry two types of warheads, high explosive and HE fragmentation warheads. A high explosive warhead is designed to explode on impact and create a blast wave that can damage or destroy targets within a certain radius. An HE fragmentation warhead, on the other hand, not only creates a blast wave but also releases a large number of small metal fragments that can cause additional damage and casualties. The specific type of warhead used by the Lancet drone depends on the mission and target. These warheads can be very destructive and are typically used to attack armored vehicles or personnel. Pros and cons. The deployment of Lancet drone in Russia-Ukraine conflict. Recently, the updated Lancet drone with an extended 1-hour flight duration and an upgraded warhead weighing over 11 pounds was deployed by Russian military forces in Ukraine. This new version of the drone is at least 4 pounds heavier than its basic version. Its primary purpose is to attack personnel using a high explosive fragmentation or thermobaric warhead and armored vehicles with a high explosive anti-tank warhead. The updated variant is known as ZALA 51, while the original drone with a 7 pounds warhead is referred to as ZALA 52. It has been reported that the original drone has also been upgraded with a larger warhead and a new EO guidance system in March 20th, 23. Up to date, Kamikaze drones have caused significant damage to over 200 pieces of artillery, including American M777 howitzers, creating major problems for the Ukrainian armed forces. The Russian military has determined that barrages of 30 to 40 minutes provide adequate support for ground units at a tactical level. However, Ukrainian commanders believe that only special forces and reconnaissance groups are using the drones, which limits the capabilities of infantry forces. The most dangerous period of drone use is at night due to challenges in monitoring and identifying the number of drones. The Lancet drones are usually used together with other reconnaissance and strike UAV. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.